First open Ctrade, click login, enter your email address and your password. You will receive a one-time password on your email, so go to your email, check it and enter the one-time password. After that, you see the trading sessions. The market is closed. Once you close this, the pop-up box, you can see that there's a blue icon which you can use to communicate with Ctrade. The first thing that you want to do is to deposit your money. So you click on deposit and choose the currency that you want to deposit and the payment option. I advise you to use Pay Now because it reflects there and there. The eco-cash method also works, but sometimes it may delay in reflecting your money into the account. Follow the process to make the payment. When your money is reflected into your account, you can now start to look for shares to buy. You can click on the tabs which are on the top right to see shares which are being sold and those that have bids that people want to buy. For now, we want to buy shares, so we choose market sales, where we can see shares that are being sold. Once you see a company that you want to buy shares, you click on buy shares. Once a pop-up box, a dialog box appears, you select Zimbabwe Stock Exchange, which is ZSE, and select the company and the quantity of shares that you want to buy. Shares can only be bought in multiples of 100, so you can only buy either 100, 200, 300. You cannot buy 550 shares or 50 shares. They can only be in multiples of 100. You also have to choose the broker that you want to use. Brokers are different in terms of the minimum amount they can accept to transact. Some brokers accept 100 as the minimum, some 500 as the minimum, some 10 as the minimum. You choose your time in force. Day order means that your order will be cancelled if the trade is not executed by end of that day. Good till means your order will continue to be effective until it executes or is cancelled. There is no limit, so your order will be active until it is executed or you cancel it. And immediate orders are cancelled if the order does not execute as soon as it becomes available. And good till day means that the order will be cancelled, will continue to be in force until a date that you set. So if you want to sell shares, you just scroll down and click on place a sell order. The process is just the same as buying. Just enter the company, the number of shares, the time in force, and also select the broker and the price that you are willing to sell your shares, and then you click place order. You can check the performance of a company's shares by looking at the graph. So you can see how the price of that share changes with time. You can also click more graphs if you want to see the performance of more companies and compare maybe the changes in share prices. As you can see on the graph, there's a increase in price at the beginning and a constant price at the top. The constant price this is the period where the market was closed, so the prices couldn't change, and when the market was opened, the share prices started to decline. So I believe this is the perfect time to start investing in the stock exchange, because most companies are undervalued. Their share prices are very low. So you may also want to withdraw your funds. You just click on the withdraw funds and enter the amount that you want to withdraw and click make a withdrawal. As I have said before, I believe this is the perfect time to buy shares, since most companies are undervalued. The shares have low prices, so if you buy shares now, you are bound to make profits in the future. So I advise you all start buying shares. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the notification icon so that you can be notified when I upload a new video. Until we meet in the next video, it's goodbye for now.